Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fourth numerical of stability of beams and frames. Now question is written as identify the type of instability of the figure shown here. Now for the determination of type of instability, firstly we will need to calculate the number of support reaction. Now we know that at hinge support there will be two reaction, one in vertical direction and one in horizontal direction. Now at roller support there will be only one reaction which is acting in the vertical direction. So total number of reaction component will be equals to 3. Now we need to check here the two condition. First one is the all the three reactions are parallel or not. So in this frame all the three reactions are not parallel. So first condition is not satisfied. Now we need to check the second condition that all the reactions are meeting at a single point or not. So here all the three reactions are not meeting at a single point. So this frame will becomes externally stable structure. So this frame will be externally stable. Now we need to check the internal stability of this frame. Now due to this roller present at the last end, this roller will move like this because in horizontal direction there will be a degree of freedom. Okay, now due to the movement of this roller a mechanism will develop here like this, and due to this mechanism formation what will happen, the beam will become internally unstable. Now due to the mechanism is forming hence this structure or this frame will become internally unstable. Okay, now due to the mechanism formation this frame will become internally unstable structure. Okay, that is the complete discussion of this question. This frame is externally stable and internally unstable due to the mechanism formation. Thank you very much students.